2024 Best Cheap Motorcycle for Beginners Honda Grom. In the diverse world of motorcycles, the 2024 Honda Grom emerges as a standout and affordable choice for beginners, seamlessly blending compact design, approachable performance, and rider-friendly features. Recognized as one of the best cheap motorcycles for those entering the realm of riding, the Grom exemplifies Honda's commitment to crafting machines that offer an ideal combination of cost-effectiveness, beginner-friendly attributes, and the joy of urban cruising. In 2024, the Grom continues to capture the hearts of entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of accessible fun, confidence building, and the delight of mastering the art of motorcycling on a budget. 1. Playful mini bike aesthetics with affordability. The Honda Grom boasts playful and mini bike aesthetics that deliver a unique visual experience without breaking the bank, making it an attractive choice for riders seeking affordability coupled with style. With its compact dimensions, small frame, and vibrant colors, the Grom exudes a fun presence on the road. Honda's commitment to cost-effective design ensures that the Grom not only provides an enjoyable riding experience but also stands as a visual testament to the affordability of urban adventures. 2. Efficient single-cylinder engine for urban thrills. At the heart of the Grom lies an efficient 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, offering a perfect balance of accessible power and efficiency for beginner riders. Honda's engine design emphasizes smooth power delivery and fuel efficiency, making it an excellent choice for those looking for an economical yet exciting urban riding experience. The Grom's engine provides ample performance for city commuting, nimble maneuvering through traffic, and spirited rides, offering a budget-friendly platform for riders to explore the thrill of motorcycling in urban environments. 3. Lightweight and compact design for easy handling. Designed for easy handling, the Honda Grom features a lightweight and compact design that contributes to its nimble and agile characteristics. The bike's small dimensions and low seat height make it easy for beginners to navigate through crowded city streets, squeeze into tight parking spaces, and enjoy the ease of urban maneuvering. The Grom's compact design enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and relish the joy of urban adventures without breaking the bank. 4. Comfortable and upright riding position. Crafted for comfortable riding, the Grom features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. The bike offers an upright and comfortable seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars, ensuring riders can enjoy extended urban journeys without discomfort. Honda's commitment to rider comfort makes the Grom not only a budget-friendly option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting and exploring the cityscape. 5. Integration of essential features. The 2024 Grom seamlessly integrates essential features to enhance the overall riding experience. A clear and user-friendly instrument cluster, LED lighting, and optional rider aids add contemporary functionality without inflating the cost. Honda ensures that the Grom remains an economical yet technologically advanced choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of budget-friendly styling with essential conveniences. Conclusion. The 2024 Honda Grom stands as a global icon of entry-level urban adventures, securing its position as one of the best cheap motorcycles for beginners. Its playful mini bike aesthetics, efficient single-cylinder engine, lightweight and compact design, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of essential features make it an unrivaled choice for budget-conscious riders venturing into the world of motorcycling. Whether mastering the basics, navigating city streets with style, or enjoying the thrill of urban cruising on a budget, the Grom encapsulates the spirit of Honda's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of affordable urban riding excellence. As a symbol of accessible fun, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of motorcycling without breaking the bank, the 2024 Honda Grom rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of cheap motorcycles for beginners.